Hello again, everyone. Another office job. This is a soybean manufacturing company. So we're looking for two people to work as export sales. So the office will be in Tokyo and in Nagano. So you are required for it's English speaking for this and also Japanese speaking. So for the time frame, there are morning shift. There's a shifting schedule. So the salary will be discussed also during the interview. But as for our job order, it's from 200,000 yen up, and there will be bonus also. So you must speak English and Japanese for this job. So again, this is a soybean manufacturing company, and we are looking for overseas sales job person. So this is also scheduled for interview tomorrow, 9:13 Friday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. Thank you.